today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Shopee using a QR code. This method provides a quick and secure way to access your account without the need to type in your username and password each time. So let's get started on this easy process. First, let's navigate to the Shopee website. You can do this by opening up your preferred web browser and typing Shopee in the search bar, or you can enter the direct URL to take you there. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself on the main homepage, filled with all sorts of amazing deals and suggested items just waiting for you to explore. Now the next step is to go to the login page. You can usually find this option at the top right corner of the page. When you click on it, you're typically faced with the option to log in by entering your details manually. However, today we're focusing on a more streamlined approach, logging in with a QR code. On the login page, look for the option that reads Log in with QR. Once you click on this, a QR code will appear on the screen. This code is unique to your session and is designed to securely link your account with the device you're using. It's important to make sure that you trust the environment you're logging in from, as security should always be a top priority. Now that you have your QR code displayed on your screen, you'll need your mobile device. Open the Shopee app on your smartphone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can easily find it on the App Store for iPhone users or the Google Play Store for Android users. Once the app is open, ensure you're logged into the account you wish to access via the web. Within the app, you should find a QR code scanner. The location can vary slightly depending on updates to the app, but it's often found within account settings or as a camera icon on the main dashboard. Activate the scanner and point your phone's camera at the QR code displayed on your computer screen. This process is almost instantaneous, as your device reads the code and logs you into your Shopee account on the desktop automatically. And there you have it, your login is complete. You should now see your account details appear on the Shopee website, and you can start browsing, shopping, and exploring all the offers that are just a few clicks away. Using this QR login technique is not only efficient, but also adds an extra layer of security, ensuring that your login details remain protected while offering convenience. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope this has made your Shopee login experience smoother and more enjoyable. Happy shopping!